Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best soldering magnifier is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone tackling intricate electronics work, offering a crystal-clear view of tiny components and solder joints, transforming frustrating squinting into precise, effortless soldering, and ultimately elevating the quality and speed of your projects, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. Number 5. YOCTOSUN LED Head Magnifier. Introducing the YOCTOSUN LED Head Magnifier. This innovative device offers hands-free magnification, perfect for detailed tasks and hobbies. Experience unparalleled clarity with its interchangeable lens design. You can easily switch between 5 different magnification powers, from 1.0x to 3.5x, using a simple click-and-release system. Designed for ultimate comfort, it features a flexible eyeglass frame with rubber nose pads. You can wear it as traditional glasses or attach the included head strap for a more secure fit. Never miss a detail with its adjustable LED lighting. It offers 2 brightness levels, ensuring excellent illumination for any surface you're working on. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. This magnifier is equipped with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery and comes with a USB charging cable, saving you money and energy. See your work magnified up to 350% with high clarity. It's ideal for close work like sewing, crafts, beauty, needlework, and many other intricate hobbies. What we like. This head magnifier offers incredible versatility with its interchangeable lenses, letting you pick the perfect magnification for any task. If you need a hands-free solution that adapts to various detailed work and prefer not to deal with disposable batteries, this is an excellent choice. Its comfortable design allows for extended use, whether you prefer glasses or a secure headband. What people say. Number 4. Elikliv EDM 4.3-inch digital LCD microscope. Experience stunning clarity with its 4.3-inch crisp display. This device delivers 720p HD digital imaging, showing real-time clear images and quality videos. Its large screen design helps reduce eye and neck strain during extended use. Dive into incredible detail with powerful magnification. It allows you to zoom in and explore the intricate features of your subjects. The actual magnification adapts based on your screen size and object distance. Connect it effortlessly to your Windows or MacBook for an even larger view. This feature lets you share live images with multiple viewers, perfect for collaboration. You can also easily save and organize your images and videos for better analysis. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures optimal illumination for all your observations. These lights guarantee clear and detailed viewing, even in challenging low-light conditions. They significantly improve overall image quality. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, from circuit board inspection to coin and jewelry examination. It's also great for watch repair, skin detection, and STEM education for kids. It makes an excellent gift for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its height-adjustable stand provides extra flexibility and comfort. You can easily modify the distance between the camera and your object for varying magnification needs. This ensures you find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus for clearer images. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This ensures portability and extended operation, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. Take it anywhere your curiosity leads you. What we like. With its crisp 4.3-inch HD display, this digital microscope brings your intricate work to life directly on screen, reducing eye strain. If you're looking for a microscope that can easily connect to your computer for larger viewing and sharing, this model is ideal. Its height-adjustable stand provides flexibility for various objects and magnifications, making it perfect for detailed inspections and educational purposes. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get helpful points. Number 3. Hands-free head magnifier with light. Need a closer look at your intricate work? This innovative head magnifier provides crystal-clear vision for a wide range of tasks. It's perfect for hobbies, crafts, and professional applications, making detailed work easier than ever. Equipped with 6 interchangeable lenses, you can easily switch between 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 6x, and 8x magnification. Changing them is simple, just align and rotate for the perfect view. Don't let poor lighting hinder your precision. It features 2 bright LED lights with an independent switch, ensuring optimal visibility in any environment. You'll always have the perfect illumination for your projects. Designed for your convenience, the lamp cap adjusts 50 degrees and the lens angle 150 degrees. You can also fine-tune the double eye distance, ensuring accurate and comfortable viewing for extended periods. Its lightweight, ergonomic frame, combined with a silica gel headband and soft padding, ensures a secure and comfortable fit. This design prevents it from slipping and reduces fatigue, even during long sessions. Whether you're doing eyelash extensions, soldering, diamond painting, or intricate jewelry work, this tool is your ideal companion. It's also great for electricians, watchmakers, and anyone needing enhanced close-up vision. What we like. This magnifier stands out with its extensive range of 6 interchangeable lenses, offering precise magnification tailored to your specific needs. If you require a tool for highly detailed, single-eye focus tasks like intricate jewelry work or watch repair, its customizable lens and angle adjustments are perfect. It's designed for comfort and stability during long sessions, ensuring accuracy without fatigue. What people say. Number 2. Digital Coin Microscope 1000X with 4.3 LCD screen. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4.3-inch LCD screen, boasting 1080p high-definition imaging. This larger display significantly reduces eye and neck strain, making detailed inspections comfortable and effortless. Dive into the microscopic world with powerful 50x to 1000x magnification. It reveals intricate details like minting errors, scratches, and lettering, making it an indispensable tool for collectors. Equipped with a built-in camera, it lets you capture photos and videos instantly. Its internal storage holds hundreds of images, and you can expand it up to 64 GB with a TF card to document your collection over time. Connect effortlessly to both Windows and macOS devices via USB. This allows for an enhanced viewing experience on a larger screen, making it easy to share, organize, and analyze your findings. Its 8 adjustable LED lights ensure perfect illumination, eliminating shadows and glare. This makes it ideal for various tasks, from coin and jewelry inspection to watch repair and STEM learning. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3.5 hours of continuous use. This ensures excellent portability, making it your perfect companion for discoveries both indoors and outdoors. Offering powerful magnification and clarity, it's perfect for both adults examining intricate details and kids exploring the tiny world around them. It makes a practical and engaging gift for collectors, students, and curious minds. What we like. Featuring a 1080p HD screen and built-in camera with internal storage, this microscope makes documenting your discoveries incredibly easy. If you're a collector who wants to capture high-quality photos and videos of coins or other small items directly on a device, this is your go-to. Its broad compatibility with Windows and macOS further enhances its utility for sharing and analysis. What people say. No positive product reviews were found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 1. KIRKAS 12x Magnifying Lamp with Stand. Discover the KIRKAS 12x Magnifying Lamp, designed to bring precision and comfort to your detailed tasks. It's your perfect companion for hobbies and intricate work, making every detail visible. This lamp features an innovative double knob adjustment system. You can easily customize both brightness and color temperature, creating your ideal lighting environment without the common issues of traditional buttons. Equipped with a 12x transparent, colorless glass lens, it provides an exceptionally clear and wide view. This makes it ideal for anyone needing continuous close focus work or facing vision challenges. Its adjustable swing arm, supported by strong springs, offers hands-free convenience. The heavy-duty metal clamp, with protective foam pads, ensures stable attachment to any surface without scratches. Enjoy personalized settings every time, thanks to its memory function. This lamp emits uniform, soft light, free from flicker or glare, effectively protecting your eyes during long sessions. What we like. This robust magnifying lamp boasts a powerful 12x real glass lens, providing exceptional clarity for the most intricate tasks. If you need a stationary, hands-free solution with precise control over both brightness and color temperature, its dual knob adjustment is a game changer. The sturdy, adjustable swing arm and clamp make it perfect for workbench crafts, ensuring stable and customizable positioning. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.